up guys, welcome to TechTube and I just wanted to make a real quick video about how to deal with speaker wires. And here the situation is I broke my Bluetooth headphones accidentally, and the battery is totally apart from the driver and also the speaker. So all I have is those wires, and I already find out which is the positive and the negative, and which one is connected to speakers and which one is connected to battery. And I have marked this terminal. This one is positive, this one is negative, and these both long wires goes to the speaker. So what I am going to do is, first of all I am going to solder these speaker wires to the speaker so that battery will not cause any problems, and then at last I am going to connect these battery wires, and then I'm going to fix this thing up and see if it works. So this is how I'm going to assemble it. I'm going to first of all take the wires from this section, and then from this hole I'm going to take the other two wires that are going to get connected with speakers. So let's go ahead and do it. So I have separated both the wires, positive and negative, of the battery. Make sure these both wires don't interrupt with each other. Now half of the work has been already done. All the connections are perfectly managed, and now I just have to fix those parts. Now all the connections are pretty much done. So as you can see, it already started working, and now I'm just going to switch it off and get this all the parts fixed. So as you can see, this is turning on, and now let's pair this device. Okay, so everything has been done, as you can see. So it has 60% battery remaining, and now let's just quickly play some song.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So that's how you fix your Bluetooth headphones. So this is how you fix your Bluetooth headphones. Now if you want more videos like this on electronics and stuffs, please let me know in the comment section, and like this video if this video helped you, and I'll see you guys in next one.